A sign from the 1960s. Visit Bombay Beach. We are at Bombay Beach with
Enyas
from Arizona. So we're at Bombay Beach hanging out. That's Jose PhD's ride right there, is New Colorado. There's my van, and there's Enyas's van. You know what the kids at home like? The lift kit talk. So let's check out your lift kit. What do you got here?
That's the 5-inch Baja grocery getter kit from Weldtec.
And then
2012 Ford Econoline, 5.4 liter.
And then interesting choice in tires. I was looking at his tires. I was like, is that stock tires? But they're too tall because they're skinny but tall. So interesting choice. Why did you go with the 285?
235.
235.
235, 85, 16.
There you go. Yeah. Why did you go with this profile versus the?
I mean, it was recommended that size.
Okay.
With this lift.
So you said Weldtec likes
taller, skinny tire. They don't weigh as much.
Yeah, you said Weldtec likes to, you went with this because Weldtec likes to use it in RVs. You said.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why you went.
So I don't get really any rubbing.
Okay, yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah,
I'm getting like 16 miles per gallon.
Did you go with the rear yet?
No
rear gear. 16 miles per hour. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
You know, stock rims and hubcaps.
Yeah. It's kind of like stealth, but it's like. It looks cool at the same time. It's like a cool looking stealth. Like it looks like a CIA van. Let's take a look at the inside. Okay, so this guy, I met up with him at Flying J. He arrived to the meet first, and I noticed the red light right away. Why the red light?
Red lights don't attract insects.
I did not know that. See, this is what these meets are all about. You learn something new, and then Brooke liked this setup, and I probably have to change my van now because Brooke likes his setup so much. So let's take a look at it.
Starting from the front, I got a swivel seat. Then I got my fridge here. I got a just a collapsible sink with a faucet here. That recharges with a USB. I'm running 3 gallons of fresh water, and then I got a 5-gallon waste tank. The bed actually can fold in closer, kind of become a couch.
Is it the one like with the little slats so you can push it? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I've seen people do a lot of do DIYs on this type. Yeah, okay.
And that's what I did. A DIY.
Are you a carpenter like Bob Vila?
No.
No. That's good.
Not that good. Well, what this allows me is, I wanted to bring a mountain bike occasionally instead of putting it on a trailer hitch and a carrier. I could push this bed in and curve the mattress up and put my bike here. Yeah. And then when I get somewhere, I can expand.
Yeah, you know what I noticed about like a lot like people like you? I said you guys are like Bob Vila, and you guys are like self-taught. It's really impressive. I threw a futon in mine. But you guys do a great job, like with your carpentry skills. Show the cool table.
Oh, okay. The lagoon table.
Everyone was impressed by the table. Watch this guy's table, man. It's awesome. We're doing a van tour here. I got away from that the last couple meets, but I got time. All right. Right there.
Oh. So with the lagoon table, I just took I had one of those TV tray stands, and I took the top off so I could just rotate this numerous ways. I could make my counter a little longer. I could sit here.
Eat, laptop.
I could sit over here as well. I can raise the table. Table will raise up.
Oh, cool. I didn't know that part. I didn't see that part yesterday. Yeah.
It'll raise up if I unhook it there.
Okay.
But very functional.
Yeah.
You know, it's nice because you can put a laptop here in your swivel seat. Yeah. And you take care of stuff with a view.
Yeah. With the view, yeah.
You know, a lot of people make this out of gas pipe, I've seen.
Yeah, that's like I said, that's what I really enjoy this hobby, talking to you, talking in the comments with people. It's cool to see what people come up with. You know, everyone's different pretty much. Like everyone's concept is different. Let's go take a look at it from the back door.
You know, there's not much to the build, real simple. These were kitchen cabinets, the upper parts of kitchen cabinets. So they only stick out about 18 inches. I took the doors off this one just so when the bed's out, I won't be able to open the doors, so I took them off.
Yeah, okay.
Put some big clear bins in there, which is good because then you can see what's in there with some bungees to hold it in. And then you can see the far one is where the sink is. And I have the water in there. I got my, porta potty here and some storage under here.
And you said you repurposed most of your stuff, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I mean the kitchen cabinets I got for nothing. The only thing I bought, because I've had everything else, was the wood to make the bed platform.
Yeah.
But yeah, it works for me. It's real comfortable.
Yeah. Everyone loves your build, man. I have to change mine now. Brooke liked it so much, so you gotta take the back bench seat out and put the bed back.
Get the front swivel seat.
Yeah. I like your rotating table too. I might have to do that also. There it is. It's a fun part of this hobby. It's like a car show, but instead of like looking at superchargers, we're looking at interiors of van
and swivel tables
and tables and hanging out at Bombay Beach.
Exactly.
The artificial oceans out there. We're gonna hang out for a while. There you go. Nice. Like I said, it's understated, but there's like a cool look. You look at it like, no, that's not a typical van. I like it. It's different. And like I said, I haven't seen anyone with this profile tires. That's why I was like, is that stock? But it's too big to be stock, because like when I pulled up, it looked thin like a stock tire.